another power-packed episode, and this time we're diving deep into the world of full-stack development and spilling the beans on how to stay relevant in this dynamic industry. I'm your host Priyanka, and today we have a very interesting guest, Harsimran Singh, a senior solutions architect at DigiMantra. He is passionate about architecting the future of IT. His aim is to assist entrepreneurs in developing, launching, and growing cutting-edge digital products that are actually, making a positive impact globally. So let's welcome him and get started.
Thank you, Priyanka, for your wonderful introduction.
Okay, so Harsimran, just tell me about how has your journey been as a software engineer so far, and how did you develop this mindset of exploring different technologies?
Sure, Priyanka. Being from the business background, I was sitting with my dad when I was in high school, and there was some inventory system going on the papers. So I took a chance to just develop some small product in HTML, CSS, and created an inventory management in normal bootstrapped HTML. And there I got a chance to know that there is a potential. We can do a lot of things in IT, in computers, by using simple languages. But then I started exploring more into the web development and all that stuff. And in my graduation, I got a chance to develop one or two websites inside my graduation itself. And then I joined one of the company, and there I was working in PHP. Alongside, I was trying to learn mobile app development also, because I was very curious to know how this web architecture goes into mobile, and I was trying to learn that technology. So doing that stuff, I got to know that there is a tech stack where you call it backend, APIs, front end, and other stuff. I was learning throughout, and then I was promoted, or you can say, to team lead, then project manager. Along with this management journey, I was learning alongside, because if I need to guide my team, I should be able to get involved in those technologies.
Right.
I started learning Node.js, these JS technologies also.
Okay.
And then this blockchain boom came up. I tried to explore blockchain, but not that scale. But now we have almost developed our own in-house blockchain here in DigiMantra.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah. So this was my journey alongside from a coder to a manager. Yeah.
That's fantastic, Harsimran. So you just mentioned that we have been, you have explored different technologies, right? So we are also actually hearing a lot about full stack development these days, and it's getting a lot of attention. So what's the hype all about?
Yeah, full stack development is no doubt, it's a hype nowadays, because if a company is asking for a product development, and a guy who is able to create the user experience and doing the API stuff, the development stuff, and then creating the server-side logics. So entire edge-to-edge solution, if a single resource is giving, so there is a need of that resource, rather than having multiple resources and multiple technologies.
But if we have to be realistic here, do you think that one person can actually learn all the possible technologies that are available today?
No doubt in it. That's really challenging for a single person to be expertise in multiple technologies. No doubt in it. There is a term called T-shaped developer. That means the developer is having an expertise in single technology, in single field, and having knowledge of other technologies. So just having a knowledge, you can explore many other things. I used to take the statement that technology is not the barrier by just syntax. You just need to know the logics. Where the logics are there, you can do whatever you want.
That's a very good approach, I would say. Yeah. So that we have talked so much about full stack development now, and the power of full stack development, I would say. So can you share some relevant use cases where it has proved its worth, or rather I would say it has helped businesses grow immensely?
Yeah, true, absolutely. I was along back in 2015, I was working with the freshers. I would say there was the freshers. They started their journey by just PHP and Laravel framework of PHP. At that time, I was given a challenge to develop a chatbot, and chatbot involves multiple technologies. So, my team got a chance to first learn PHP for the front end and Laravel by using their architectures, and along with that, they need to go dig into the Python technologies. So they are totally the opposite technologies. So by Python, I would say they learned 10, 12 libraries that are involved in AI, ML, or you can say NLP. So by doing that stuff, they completed the entire product in maybe 3 to 4 months. And it was a good challenge. And then the same team, I put that team into the computer vision product.
What is computer vision? I mean, I'm just hearing it for the first time.
Okay. Yeah, no doubt in it. This computer vision is something left behind. It was a boom in the COVID time. I would take an example of normal these CCTV cameras. So just using the CCTV cameras on the go by using AI and image processing, you can do n number of things. You can have a count of people under that feed. You can see that if by using facial recognition on the go, you can do the attendance and all that stuff. By using facial expressions, you can identify if the person is happy or not. The normal feed of the camera is watching your resources, and you find some people are really angry at the moment. The camera feed going to that system automatically trigger the HR manager.
Okay.
So this is something computer vision, all in all, a separate segment in the IT industry.
Okay, that's quite insightful. I mean, I had no idea about this kind of technology. So this brings me to my last question, Harsimran. Like, any advice that you would like to give to all these young tech enthusiasts or coders on embracing new technologies instead of just sticking to one?
For sure. I'll take my own experience on this because, to start with anything, just go with the fundamentals. Start digging deep into the fundamentals. Then try to explore a broader view of that particular technology. Do some hands-on experience. Don't just limit yourself in just reading out the books, only reading out the books, or just listening to the YouTube videos and that courses. No. Do some hands-on experience. And then follow the industry blogs. These days, industry blogs are so relevant, like they give you the direct instructions that these steps you take, you will proceed further. And then coming on to the online courses, you can do some courses like Udemy or whatever you want, and then it is to do some networking. Community networking.
Yeah, networking is very important.
Is really important because see, you are learning from your experience, from your searches, from your learnings. That's it. But when you do some community networking, there's huge potential.
Right.
You don't know what other people are doing.
Yeah.
When you do the networking, they give you the insights of market, their own development, their own potential customers. So this is something really important. And then specialize in anything.
Okay.
So this is how you do this T-shaped development architecture.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting, Harsimran. Thank you for this brilliant advice. This is for all those techies who are just starting out. I mean, to actually, the key to become a full stack developer is to work on different technologies while staying updated on the latest tools and techniques, I would say. So thank you, Harsimran, for being with us today. We absolutely loved the insights and it was great having you with us.
Thank you so much, Priyanka, and thanks DigiMantra.
Okay. Thank you everyone for watching our today's episode. We'll be back with more such exciting and informative content very soon. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.